Hello guys, welcome to new video. In this video, we are going to find top 10 most useful free website to learn ethical hacking, cybersecurity, penetration testing, or just practice your CTF challenges. So there are totally top 10 sites like TryHackMe, Hack the Box, Vulnhub, CoHackers, Hack This Site, Medium, HackerOne, Bugcrowd, Integrity, and Twitter. So we are just going to learn more thing about this. So first one is TryHackMe. So this is a penetration testing platform. You can enhance your hacking skill from here. So just go to learn more about things like here are some learning path. You can just enroll into this learning path. Also you can just go to practice to find more things. You can also compete in multiple events. Go to search. Here you will find like web attacks, Windows machines, forensic investigation, reverse engineering, networking, and multiple type of rooms. You can just practice on those rooms. This is a free version, but if you want to pay for this, you can just go to premium. You will get better access by enrolling into this premium, but free account is also enough to learn more about ethical hacking. So if you purchase premium version, it will cost nearly $10 per month and $7.5 per month if you purchase annually pack. So this is the one of the best platform which I prefer to practice or enhance my hacking skills. Now let's move ahead to next website. So next website in our list is Hack the Box. It is same like TryHackMe. I will just close this TryHackMe box. Okay. So this is the front end UI of Hack the Box. Here are also you can just practice on multiple machines, but here are some limitation. Like you will have limited access of these machines. If you want to practice into labs, just go to labs machines. Here you will find multiple Windows and Linux based machine. Okay. Also if you want to learn more about this, you can just go to academy, or if you want to find a job, you can just go to careers. If you go to universities, you will find or get more idea about ethical hacking and learn more things. So these are the active machines. You can just practice on these active machines. For accessing retire machine, you need to purchase a paid version of this. So I will just recommend you for beginning, you can just use free version. Next one is Vulnhub. Okay, so here you can find multiple type of VMs. Like here you will get multiple VM images. You just need to download that and install or configure it on any VMware or VirtualBox and try to find vulnerabilities into these VMs. Okay, so next one is CoHackers. So its website is cohackers.co. Okay, so CoHackers is a CTF platform. Here you can just solve, capture the flags challenges with multiple teammates. Like you can just join multiple teams into this and learn from them by practicing or solving CTF challenges. So this is the UI of this CoHackers website. You just need to create a new account into this. So let's move ahead to next site. So next one is Hack This Site. So this is the one of the oldest platform to learn ethical hacking. Here you can just create your new account and try to solve challenges. Like it will contain challenges like cross-site scripting, SQL injection, and so many things. So this is the one of the oldest site where you can practice your or enhance your hacking skills. So the next one is medium.com. So medium.com is a blog type site. Here you will find multiple write-ups about ethical hacking or penetration testing or any bug bounty hunting challenges. You will find multiple reports of hackers onto this site. So if you want to read this post, you need to sign up to this medium.com. Like if I search for bug bounty report on medium.com, so you will find multiple type of bug bounty report. So by referring to this bug bounty report, you can just enhance your hacking skills. You can just perform same steps on any website. Okay, it is asking for signing up your account. This is a free account. You will not need to pay to this. You can just read multiple type of blogs on this medium.com and try to perform same steps on target machines. Now next one is HackerOne. Okay, on HackerOne you can find multiple bug bounty programs, and also if you want to learn more, you can just go find activities like reports of other attackers or bug bounty hunters. So in programs you can find there are plenty of type of bug bounty programs. Like type there is bug bounty program offered by Stripe. It is paying nearly $100 to $500 average for bug bounty hunters. If you are able to find any bug into Stripe, you will get this much of amount. Okay, so there are multiple type of programs. If you go to activity, you can see there are multiple type of recent bug bounty reports presented by all bug bounty hunters. So you can just refer this and try to perform same steps. It is also showing how much bounty they get for finding this kind of bug. So you can just refer this activity to learn more about ethical hacking or this bug bounty hunting platform. The next one is Bugcrowd. Bugcrowd is also same like HackerOne. You need to create your account in Bugcrowd. Here also you can find multiple of bug bounty programs. Also you will find activity of all of bug bounty hunters who have found vulnerabilities in multiple of bug bounty programs. So you can just go through this activity to learn more about bug bounty. Now next website in our list is Integrity. Okay, so Integrity is also like bug bounty platform. Here also you will find multiple of programs, like here is first program, I know games. It is paying nearly 100 euros to 4000 euros for average for bug bounty hunters. Okay, so you can just find multiple of bug bounty programs on this site also. There is bug bounty program of Red Bull, another team leader. You can go to browse programs, you will find multiple of programs here. So there are few programs like who are paying up to 2500 euros, 5000 euros. Okay, so you can just find multiple bug bounty programs on this. And last but not the least, Twitter. Here you can follow bug bounty hunters or a page like the bug bot. Here you will get bug bounty reports, bug bounty tools ideas, and many more things. So these are the top 10 platforms from where you can learn cybersecurity, ethical hacking, or bug bounty hunting and start your career in cybersecurity. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you are interested in learning ethical hacking, bug bounty hunting or penetration testing, you can simply enroll into my course. I have given the course link into the description. You can just check it out. I have also added links of these sites also in the description. You can just check it out. Thank you for watching.